right, everyone. Hey, the most important part about trading isn't really so much a strategy. I mean, that's important. You need to have a profitable strategy. But what I think is even more important is risk management. Risk management and psychology. I mean, those almost go like hand in hand, right? You got to be able to think right. You got to be able to risk right. Now, how are you going to do that, man? I'll tell you how I do it. I use it with the Earn Forex position size calculator. It works in MT4, MT5, you name it. It works in it. All right, so all you got to do, I got the link down below, but you can also just Google GitHub Earn Forex position size calculator. And you go here, right? And you see MQL4, MQL5. Okay, that doesn't fucking matter, right? All you're gonna do is go over here, click code, download zip. That fucking simple. And like I said, you can put it in any of them that you have out there. Just go ahead and open this zip file up. Put it over to the side. Just put it over to the side. You're going to open up whatever it is, your MT4, MT5 client. For this example, we will use FK Choice because I haven't put it in this one FK Choice one I have. Open it up. Go to File. Open Data Folder. Okay. All this cool jazz. Alrighty. This is actually MT5 that I'm working in, so I will go to the MQL5 folder. Scripts and indicators. Go to scripts. Inside of your data folder for your MT5, you will go to indicators. Drag it over. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, now go to scripts. There is your PSC Trader MQ5 file. It's fucking awesome, all right? Okay, go to scripts. Drag it over. It is as simple as that. But we don't want to stop there. We do not want to stop there. Go ahead and restart your FK choice or whatever it is you're using. All right, now you want to set it up. Let's just go to US 30, just for example purposes. All right. Yeah, I set it up two ways, but we'll set it up the first way first, right? I mean, just adding it, it looks like this. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. But it could be a lot better. And to make it better, we are going to add some percents. With props, percents are fucking awesome, right? 0.5, 1% to risk your balance. Now, this isn't a prop account. Um, this is a non-prop account. So we're going to call our risk 5% and 10%. So let's go ahead and look at our indicator list. Go to properties of it. Yeah, scroll down and find this fun stuff. Fun, fun, fun. Quick risk. So 10, actually, let's just do 5% and 10%. Okay. So now we got some quick risk in here. Save template. We'll call this Risk Master. But honestly, I like something else in here as well. I like to have a pip meter in here. And a pip meter is easy. You can get them off of MQL5 store. So in the store, you'll just search custom spread indicator. Boom. Fucking beautiful, man. You will download it. It is now in our store or in our thing. And go ahead and throw it on here. You can do something else, but this is just what I like to do. And I don't like it all the way at the edge. You might like it there, but I don't like it there. Let's scroll down. Offset, let's just say 300. Just kind of offsets it a little. And you can adjust this for whatever it is you're on. So this broker, this is a one-digit Dow Jones broker. We'll call low spread. All right. Now for this, we're going to set some stuff for our meter here, just for the Dow. And you can set a template for each one, or you can just be happy with it. It's whatever you want. Let's see. Low spread, we'll call it, I don't know, say 30, 80. You'll find out for the broker. I've traded with FX Choice for a few months, and I haven't really traded this one with them. And I didn't trade with this computer either. All right, so we just got some numbers in there, and you can set it up so you know if you're in good spread or whatnot and fun jazz. All right, so go ahead and save this template. We will call this Dow Risk Master. Now that we have this set up like this, sometimes in the morning we like to scalp based upon points, right? So let's go ahead and set that up. Go back to your indicator settings. You want to show stop loss and TP as points. There we go. Because like say in the morning, I do a 300 pip stop loss and a 150 pip or point, whatever else. You can change these colors too, and I'm gonna go ahead and change this color because I can't even make that out, right? Let's okay. You can hide these lines, you can show these lines, you can do whatever. So go ahead and save these. Let's call this Risk Master Pips. Okay. I think we want to change the color of the other one too, because we still can't see it. You could do it however you want to do it, honestly. Though, this is just how we're going to do it for this. Okay. And let's save this template again. Okay, now that we have this set up, let's find an entry. I know we're going to actually use this pip calculator in action. It's not the best time. We're within the last hour of the New York Stock Exchange. So all the market's about to close, right? Um, that doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. That would have been a good short. Let's look at the US 30. That would have, let's look at the US 500. Let's go for a 3,000 pip stop loss or point. Right, let's correct ourselves. Point, right? Let's go for a 1,500 point target. I think that's doable. We just have to find the right entry. All right. I think I'm going to go with the UK 100 on this one. Let's go for a 20 pip and a 30 pip. It's kind of tight. Okay. You switch between short and long, just like this. Pretty cool, huh? Spread's way too big right now, especially on FX choice. All right, that is not a possible option to trade that one. Let's look at this guy. The NASDAQ, the US 30, let's go with the Dow Jones. All right. All right, this is going to be yeah, let's do this. We are going to go long. See how well it works. Why not? Hmm. So now we see this. You could go ahead and take profit right there or wait for it to hit there. Honestly, we're at the end of the market, so let's just go ahead and close that out there. But you kind of see how it works. Really spiffy. And then, of course, the other method is using strict counts, right? Boom, like this. And that's really simple. I'm not actually going to trade it right now, but the basics are double click this guy right here, wherever the hell you want it. Let's say that's your TP, and you go in for the order. And again, it's just as simple as you click these, which the leverage on this FX choice is just too low. Um, you drag and drop it, and bada bing, bada boom. It's awesome. All right. So that is the very basics of how to use the Earn Forex position size calculator. And what's great about it, it respects margin of wherever you're at. If it's outside of the margin, you're in red. So you know that you'll get a margin call if you ever hit, if you ever hit, your actual stop loss with that. Um, if you're with somebody that requires custom margin and you want to pretend you have 50 margin, just do that. Okay, cool. All right, guys. Hopefully that helps. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and maybe I'll make some more videos like this. Thanks.